Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to the amazing alphabet adventures. Are you ready to discover another super cool letter? Today we're learning all about the letter B. Say hello to the letter B. B is the second letter of the alphabet, and it makes a bouncy bar sound. Can you say bar with me? Great! Let's find some awesome things that start with the letter B. Wow, look at that! It's a balloon. Balloon starts with B. Can you say bar balloon? Awesome. Here comes a bear. Bear also starts with B. Bears love honey, and they're big and strong. Can you say bar bear? Good job. And here's a bus. Bus starts with the letter B too. Buses take people all around the town. Let's say it together. Bar bus. Look at all these brilliant things that start with the letter B. We've got balloon, bear and bus. Can you think of any other words that start with B? Remember, B is a brilliant letter, and now you know some fun words that start with B. Thanks for exploring with us today. See you next time, little explorers. Keep learning more letters with us on Amazing Alphabet Adventures. Bye-bye.